We will wait for 5 more minutes for everyone to join, then we can start. Everyone, please kindly keep your mics muted in the first half of the session. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, I would like to welcome you all to our doubt solving session. And first of all, good afternoon to all of you. And I would like to thank each one of you for your amazing and overwhelming participation towards IEEE SKN student branch. And let's start. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. I am Rashmi Ingle. I am the interim chair of SKN ISB, which is SKN IEEE student branch. So let us begin. So let's start with a video of IEEE member benefits. So Gargi, please acknowledge if the video I'm sharing is properly audible and visible.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
IEEE is the world's largest association of technical professionals. Membership in this global community comes with a host of benefits that give you a professional edge.
Our 400,000 plus members are added across academia, government, and industry. They help make IEEE the world's largest publisher of technical content that helps researchers and practitioners stay informed. As an IEEE member, Spectrum and the Institute are delivered to you at no cost. Plus, you'll get access to IEEE's member digital library free for 30 days. If you're focused on research, the reduced cost subscription to IEEE Explore pays for itself in just a few visits.
IEEE is truly the big tip for technologists, and that means professional networking. By connecting to a wide array of technical communities, you'll quickly broaden your circle of colleagues and enhance your career. That can happen through our IEEE Collaboratech platform, designed with technologists in mind, or through the thousands of conferences IEEE hosts every year around the globe.
Looking for your first job or your next job? In addition to job search tools, your membership in IEEE includes professional development resources like career-focused webinars, a mentoring program, and even an entire initiative for technology entrepreneurs. And when that career really takes off, the IEEE Awards program recognizes the best and brightest.
IEEE membership helps you expand your knowledge and earn CEU and PDH credits through our educational offerings. So make sure to check out what's available in the e-learning library, the IEEE Learning Network, and IEEE TV, which hosts live broadcasts and thousands of on-demand videos recorded at IEEE conferences and events.
As an IEEE member, you get great discounts on books and ebooks, conference fees, insurance, and much more. This includes our top-tier publications like the Proceedings of the IEEE, the leading journal to provide in-depth review, survey, and tutorial coverage of the technical developments in electrical engineering, computer science, and related fields.
IEEE recognizes the responsibility we all share in advancing technology for humanity. That's why members like you have created programs specifically designed to allow you to lend your unique skills and abilities to help others. IEEE Move, SITE, and EPICS are just a few good examples of humanitarian efforts derived from technical minds like yours.
And speaking of minds like yours, here are a few of your IEEE peers with their tips on how to get the most from your membership.
I encourage you to get involved by participating and reaching out to your local communities, attending a conference, or even participating online.
It is phenomenal to be able to meet people across the world. It's phenomenal to actually reach and be able to talk to some of the best known scientists, some of the best known people in the industry, in the academia, and in different basically sector of our industry and our community.
Reach out to local sections, get involved in the local chapters of professional societies, and also keep an eye open for new opportunities that exist out there. Throw yourself at anything that you think you can contribute to, and I guarantee you that you will have a great time and you will learn new things and that you'll feel that you're contributing back to the professional world.
I know that I've benefited and enjoyed my journey, and I hope you do as well.
Okay, so that was the video. Now let us proceed with the further session. Yeah, so just let me make a few adjustments. Yeah, hold on. Okay. So I would like to tell everyone that we are going to keep this a very interactive session. So we want to interact student to student. So firstly, let me tell you guys about like just a little bit about what IEEE is or what IEEE's motive is, because I've seen lots of questions through via the Google form that many of you still don't have a clear idea about what IEEE is, what even our student branch is exactly going to do. So let me just give a little brief on that. So let's start with the very basics, like how many of you know what like IEEE's full form is? So let's start with that. So IEEE basically stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and it is pronounced as IEEE. But the thing is, it standard for electrical and electronics engineers, but it doesn't go by that name anymore because it is not anymore restricted to that particular electrical or electronics background. I think this might also have confused many of people seeing just the full form of IEEE, that this only looks for electrical or electronics, but it is not that. IEEE has expanded since years and years in various different fields. So now they only go by IEEE, but the full name for legal reasons. So how was IEEE, what is the IEEE's history, or how was it founded? I think many of you might be wondering that. So IEEE is an organization dedicated to advancing innovation and technological excellence for the benefit of humanity. And it is the world's largest technical professional society, and it is designed to serve professionals involved in all aspects of not only electrical and electronic, but also computing fields and related areas of science and technology that underlie modern civilization. So IEEE's roots go back to 1884. At that time, it was electricity had started to give a major influence in the society. So at that time, there was an organization called AIEE. So there were many renowned people you might know from that who actually are involved in the formation of IEEE. And you might be knowing Thomas Edison, you might be knowing Graham Bell. So many such people, including them, researchers, scientists, engineers, many more associated with them, were part of founding this society. Then their main motive was to bring all of the people around the world, all of such engineers, researchers, scientists around the world, and associate many more professions around the world together to collaborate and share their knowledge with each other, and to make even more innovation and advanced technology even more and more, and use this technology in different parts of different fields to have more advancement. So that is the basics of what IEEE is. And let me give you an overview. Many of you might be confused, like this is a student branch. Now you're talking at world level. So how does that associate? So let me give you an connection, how that comes narrow down to the student branch that we have established at our own college. So firstly, IEEE consists of 400,000 members in more than 160 countries. So the total overall the world, IEEE is divided in different regions. So there are like 10 regions, and we are part of region 10. And there are different sections, chapters, student branch and student branch chapters. So we come under region 10, India Council, and we come under Pune section, and in which we have formed our SKN ISB, which is SKN IEEE student branch. So in which we are going to organize. Okay, so many of you also had a question like, what are you guys going to organize, or we have no idea like what you will be performing or what you will be taking. So let me give you just an idea that we'll be organizing different workshops, different webinars, different competitions like hackathons, ideathons. We'll be having field visits. You'll get to communicate and interact with different renowned professionals from our local as well as international level. So we have many such ideas in our bag. So we'll be slowly communicating to you guys. So I hope you're excited for that. And yeah, so let me talk more about like what IEEE overall has. I'll tell you about more about the membership benefits, but it has various communities, it has different conferences, events, publications. And I think now most of you are from, I think, second year. You might have heard about IEEE standards that we use. Even we have that in our academics. So we have different standards of IEEE. Then it also helps in like education purposes of going for higher level education, or I'll get in more into that later later on as well. And there are other humanitarian activities. So this shows that IEEE is not only associated to technical, but they also help in different fields like humanitarian, but we help with. Okay, so let me make it clear. Like, I think you guys know NSS from our college, right? So NSS does social service, but how is like the humanitarian activities in IEEE different from that? So let me tell you that in IEEE, we contribute as engineers. So we solve those problems in the society that NSS is also trying to solve, but they are not using a technological background to it. They are going to use a technology and incorporate it with those problems that the society is facing. So truly as engineers, we'll be contributing to such society problems and we'll be advancing them and helping making the world better in a way, I guess. So yeah, that is the overall view, I think. And just let me like I'll just talk about like when you become a member. As for graduate student member of IEEE, you can join a community of over 420,000 technology and engineering professions united by a common desire to continuously learn, interact, collaborate, and innovate. So you can get resources, opportunities you need to keep yourself at the top of the technology that is going on. So you can also get involved in the standard development. As I suggested that IEEE already has its various standards, you can also be a part of that. Then after that, network with other professionals in your local area, as I said earlier, or within a specific technical interest. And yeah, so IEEE is totally about volunteering. So you have to yourself feel the need and step up. Nobody is going to push you to do anything, but they'll give you the best opportunities and the best way to communicate and even mentor in different areas. There is even a entrepreneurship site for IEEE. They have given a whole section for that. So if you're like looking to start, I think many of you will later on want to start your startups or something like companies. So for that also, IEEE provides you mentoring and they provide you resources to help you better get recognition or better connect with other professionals in the industry, which can help you, or even get funding on basis of your ideas. So as a student also right now, if you have any amazing project ideas, you can pitch that as an IEEE member to the organizational units and they will approve your funding on based of that. So there are immense, and even there are scholarship opportunities for the same. And the top, there are many benefits. It's a whole vast thing, but let me give you some of the most popular student benefits, and those are IEEE Extreme. Actually, this is a world level, the most known competition of IEEE coding competition is the IEEE Extreme. You can go and more look into it on like IEEE.org. They have every single piece of information you will need. Everything I mentioned you can find on IEEE.org and even more. There are many things. So after that, you can even participate in the awards program, then scholarship, then conferences, then potential magazines, and even student travel grants. So if you travel for different conferences or different projects like that via IEEE, they will sanction an amount for you while traveling, and you will have to travel with no cost. So yeah, I think that is like I'll give you overview. And yeah, I would like to specifically mention another thing, which is women in engineering. So I think all the girls here, and don't get mistaken by the name. Women in engineering doesn't mean that only females can participate. Even males can contribute for this particular field. So IEEE Women in Engineering, WIE, is one of the largest international professional organizations dedicated to promoting women engineers and scientists and aspiring girls around the world to follow their academic interest to a career in engineering. So you can also check this out on IEEE's website. So these are more about yeah. So I think I've covered, and I can just mention some of the initiatives that I have noted down for you guys. There is regarding like humanitarian or associated with that, they have different projects and different societies. I can say IEEE Foundation, IEEE Humanitarian Activities Committee. There is IEEE Smart Village. There is IEEE Site. EPICS in IEEE, IEEE Life Member Committee, IEEE History Center, which actually focuses on all the history of engineers. Like from the very start till now, they have mentioned everything. So you can go check that out as well. There is IEEE Power and Engineer Society Scholarship Plus Initiative. Then there is IEEE Internet Initiative, and many, I'll not even mention all of those. Then even IEEE can help you for placements, research the company and recruiters for recruiters. You can research all the company details via IEEE, so you have a nicer view or nicer idea when you go in for interviews, like what are you going in for. You have a brighter view of that. So you can use IEEE search tools to get all that details. And then even for career and development services, IEEE has its own job site which gives you career alerts for jobs and stuff. And then there is other like mentoring website via Collaboratech. IEEE Collaboratech is also a huge thing. You can go check it out. Then there is IEEE Resume Lab on which you can build your own resume. Then there is IEEE Awards and Recognition, then funding opportunities. So yeah, this is most of the stuff. It is IEEE is such a vast organization that I won't be able to cover most of it, but let me hand over the control to Shashank, who will demonstrate regarding the most asked question, which is how to join IEEE. So he will take you through all the detailed steps on literally from making a IEEE web account to how to go through the web application. So over to you, Shashank.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Shashank Jagtap. I am from SKN itself, and let me tell you just one thing, that we are not campus ambassadors or anything of this IEEE thing. We are bringing this IEEE to our college, and it is a student branch. So don't get misunderstood with that concept. We will carry out various events like every other groups in our college or every other groups in other colleges does. So don't get misunderstood with that. We are getting many benefits apart from these events. These all benefits that Rashmi told you right now are at personal level. Means you alone can get benefited from these things, and the events and all we are going to conduct from representing our college, that will be all group activities. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to take IEEE membership, and in that membership we will
I think Shashank has a little network issue. Let's wait for him. Shashank, actually, I think you are having a network issue. We are unable to hear you. Hello?
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Let me switch one minute. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, all good.
Hi. Okay, now let me demonstrate. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yep, it's with.
.org. This will be recorded and you can see it later on. Okay. Then this is the official website of IEEE. After that, there is a simple option, join IEEE. Here we will see this option. We will take join as student. Okay, the application will start. Okay, now we have to create a new account. If you have an account, then it will just say sign in. Create account. So this is sample one. I am already a member of IEEE, so I won't fill each and every information. Mm-hmm. Okay. Create account and continue joining. Okay, now let me clear one thing, that for taking IEEE membership, we need to give some fees. Okay, it's not free, but I can assure you that each and every penny is well, you can get each and every benefit from your money. It's okay. Now organizational and departmental name. So yeah. Hello Rashmi.
Yeah.
Here our college name should come, right?
Yeah. There a college name should be, and keep the O of the capital as well. So everybody, please
It
like
is not
note this step. Yeah, actually here you can just input it later, and I think while entering the university, it will come. University or college.
It is not.
Here they don't give a scroll option. You can just enter the directly.
Yeah, it has a character limit.
Okay. You can just put, I think, ENGRG at the end, if possible, for engineering.
Okay. Address type, okay. For address, you can give home or university, anything.
Yeah, I would like to mention one thing here, that those people who are living in Pune, put your home addresses, but those people who are living outside of Pune, please put your put university and college address, because we come under Pune section, our college comes under Pune section. So if you enter different address, then you will fall under different section and you won't be a part of our student branch. So please make sure to only put a address which is in Pune.
Okay. So just fill out these all information. Continue. So now I guess it will give us option. See here. For this slide, select this, okay? Please don't enter any other, means like space and everything. Select from this drop down option. Bachelor in academic program.
Access computer, right?
Computer?
I think, yeah. For others, select according to your branch.
Yes. Graduation month. June or July?
Put it August and put the year 23.
Current field of study. Select yes.
Okay, please explore all the fields that I have given in the scroll down option and then only select.
Right.
Okay.
Let's say, okay, robotics. This no, right?
Yes. Click yes for that. You need. You want to be included.
And this. Okay. Say anything.
Yeah, this is only for feedback. So are you joining to is totally up to you.
Okay, now Now here you can say from member referral anything or IEEE conference. No, just member referral. It's okay.
Yeah, and you can refer anybody. Actually, if needed, you can refer me also if needed. Wait, I'll give my member ID. You can note it down, guys, if you want right now, or you can contact me for it as well. Should I dictate it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. 97.
Oh shit. 97.
45.
45.
79.
79.
95.
9.
5.
5. Okay.
Okay. So
Click on continue.
better ID. Okay, yeah, sure. I'll share it later on WhatsApp group. Yep.
Okay, for this you can explore it here or on IEEE website itself. So just now I will just select any one of those technical companies.
Actually, Shashank, don't select it. I think just like go on. You guys can later on explore if you whenever you want. There is no restriction that you have to select the societies, communities right now only.
Okay. Yes.
Select it, continue for now, and later on explore. There are most of them are free also, so you can explore that and select the ones you are interested in.
No, but I think we have to select one.
No, you can click continue. You don't need to select any right now.
Option,
yeah.
No continue option here.
I know. Click that my cart one.
This?
Yeah. We'll go ahead.
Oh, I thought this was for payment.
Yeah.
Now.
Okay, so it shows you what you have selected to get.
So right now, continue. Now for payment, it is 27 USD dollars. So just see to it that first we have to apply the promotional code here. What is the promotional code?
Okay, you can directly put it as FUTURE.
FUTURE. This promotional code will also be shared on WhatsApp group. Don't worry.
Yeah, actually, I'll email each one of you the discount code, and I'll invite you guys for membership. Those who are interested in taking, but. So.
Yes. Okay, if it has 50, no?
Yeah, 50. So this is the promotional code that will get you 50% off your total value.
See,
successfully applied. Yeah, and the very thing I would like to mention here is that see how they have given in hierarchy is they have given the payment option up, but they have given the code downwards. But always apply the code first and then add the credit card details because otherwise it doesn't get applied, or sometimes it shows error. We have experienced errors before due to that. So please enter the code first, get it verified, and then go for the card details. And also I would like to mention they have, okay, so if you guys come across any doubts regarding the payment, you can contact us or contact our membership development team. They'll provide you the numbers via WhatsApp.
For payment, contact our team because for payment, it is as it is USD, you have to pay by credit cards. Debit card, I guess they are not acceptable. So please contact our team, they will help you. See to it that you can get credit card from your relatives or your parents. It will be nice.
And contact our team as in we want to clearly inform that we are not going to handle any money. It will be directly in between IEEE and you. So right now, we'll in future make according arrangements for our student branch. But as our student branch is new right now, you will have to take membership on your individual basis only.
After we are well established, then we can see to the membership applications. We can pay them directly.
Yeah, we'll be collecting from you guys and we'll directly send them via our account, college account. But right now that hasn't been set up yet. So you'll have to do it on your individual levels. So if you face any problems, kindly contact us at any time.
Okay. Then after this, now I'm not going to take membership because I have one. So after this, just there are 2 tabs. Review your order means all the things that you have filled up till now will you get and review, and then order confirmation.
Yep. So
After that,
yeah, go ahead.
okay. After that, your account will be successfully created. Now I will show you my account just for reference. So see, one of the benefits of IEEE also is that I get to just look at my email address. I have now IEEE email address. You can just change it after you are a member.
Also, I would like to again focus on that the transaction is actually international. So you will have to, even when you're using cards, you will have to have your international transactions option turned on. Otherwise, it might show an issue. So please accordingly make arrangements for that.
Okay. See, now this is my account here, and it is for it is for global level. Now if we go here and see, I guess, profile. The benefits that Rashmi told earlier, we can use them from this account itself. It is very easy once you get to practice with it more.
And Shashank, you can go ahead and show them that IEEE.org also, how they can take benefit of that, how they can create if needed. And yeah, so with that account you get 30, I think, GB storage also free, right? But it is only for professional purposes, and the account is monitored by IEEE itself. So they have the power to make arrangements in your account. So please use it only for professional reasons.
So I don't think I can see
it
now.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you zoom in a little bit? It's not that much visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was visible, right, when I was showing them how to take membership? Yeah.
Shashank, I think you have created a new account, right? You can show them via that also how to create, because I think you have already created your IEEE.org email here, right?
Yes. So that's the reason why I'm not getting. See here. Membership. Okay. Here it is written everything.
Yeah. Actually, no need then. Don't show them. You can directly go to that. Just scroll down below. We can tell them Google Apps at IEEE. Yeah. See, you can see in membership information the mention below, which is that membership directories information. In that they're given what I found on the web. Google App IEEE account. So you can go there and you can directly create. Instructions are very clear. But even if you have any doubts, you can contact us.
You can contact us for this. No worries. Okay. So that's it from my side. I will hand it over to you, Rashmi.
Okay, yeah, great. So guys, that was the demonstration process. Actually, I got a doubt from Abhishek Sharke. He has messaged me that, hey Rashmi, is this one-time payment lifetime membership, or we need to renew our membership yearly basis? So let me make it clear that this is an yearly membership. You pay that much amount for the whole year, and after that you have to renew accordingly the annual membership. But let me once again assure you, as even Shashank said, that this price that you will be paying for the membership, it will be literally equaled in no amount of time, and you have a whole year to take all the benefits of IEEE. If you even explore a little bit, it will pay it off. So let me assure you that that price is nothing, and it will be total use to you. So yeah.
And just one more thing, all the events that we are going to conduct here in SK and ISB, they will be funded by IEEE. Means once you pay this amount, It is not like that कि for every event like चलो हम फिर से contribution निकालते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. We can all the money is funded by IEEE. We have to make petition to them. We have to ask them for money first of all. We have to give them our plan, and they will then give it to our college account, bank account.
Yeah. Yeah, and as Shashank said, even for IEEE, when you take IEEE membership for other people who are attending those workshops or webinars or many other things, they will have to pay a price to enter that event, even conferences and stuff. But you as an IEEE member will get discounts and even get free stuff, lot of free stuffs. Like free, you can attend webinars for free, you can connect with different professionals which you can't directly contact, right? Or even if you contact, they don't respond. But via IEEE, you can connect to them and you can they can guide you, or you can ask them questions you want. Like, so you'll get many discounts and free access to many things. And even as they've mentioned in the video before, you'll be getting about like 30 days worth trial, free trial for digital access to digital library of IEEE. So I think that's a great opportunity as well. So I think, Shashank, do you have anything else to say?
I was just saying that you can explore that site and see the conferences. Right now I saw many conferences there. These are all conducted by very high technicians and engineers throughout the world. It will be very useful, and it will be all free. Like once you pay the 1,000 rupees, then all these conferences and everything that we can conduct in our college, but all the conferences which are going worldwide will be free to you. Free to you means you don't have to pay extra money for that.
It will be covered in your membership. Yes, correct. So I think let's go through some of the doubts you guys have mentioned in the Google form that we have given you for registration. So I'll just roughly go through it. Is there any official WhatsApp group of SKN COE IEEE cell where we can ask any doubts? Okay, so the one we have added you in is the group that this group we are mentioning here. So you can, I think most of the guys, all of you guys are there in that group, right? All of you guys have been added, and the later ones were also received an WhatsApp link. So all of you guys are there. If any of your other friends are interested still, even though the date is over, you can directly contact our membership development team, and we'll be sharing the contacts on that group so you can circulate them as needed. So yeah, there is a group. That one is the IEEE SKN ISB registrations is the group where you can ask us questions. We had kept it admins. Admins can only message till now, but if you check now, we have changed the setting as we want to keep it more interactive there. So you guys can ask questions there. Yeah, then the next question is, should we join membership from website or wait for your volunteers information on how to fill it? Okay, so we have right now told you the entire process on how to take a membership, so you can happily and literally proceed at any time you want. So go ahead with it and contact us for any doubts. So please give a step-by-step process of PDF. So right now we have given you the whole step-by-step tutorial literally on, and we'll be uploading this somewhere. So even if some of you guys need the whole step-by-step thing, we can just give the access or give the information to you. So no worries on that. Let me go through more questions. I want to know how frequently you would like to. Okay, yeah, actually I want to know that how frequently we would like to get in touch with experts or professionals of our desired field. Okay, so I will sort of answer this question in a way that, see, when you take IEEE membership, you as an IEEE member can organize or can attend different webinars or events or competitions also. But our student branch is going to give you additional benefits in that. A student branch provides, you can appear for awards, or you can organize, or many much different, and even get sponsorship for different events as a whole collective team at our college. But as an individual also, you can connect. There is a whole platform called IEEE Collaboratech, which focuses on this, on you connecting with different professionals from your local area or even world level, as I said. So you can contact them at any time you want, or we are also going to invite different professionals at our college for different workshops, webinars. So at that time also you can freely ask your questions and interact with those professionals, because we are bringing them here to guide you only. That is our sole purpose. So yeah, I think that answers the question. Then after that, just let me know the whole process of joining IEEE. So again, we have already given you the entire process and we'll be sharing the link as well. I would like to have any. Okay, so I'm seeing a question that I would like to have a one-on-one conversation with any student representative if possible. Let me check who this question is by. Okay, Atharva Gorde, are you present here? If you would like to ask anything, we are
Yes.
all open. Yeah.
Yes, actually, I was what to say, asking ki if we could arrange such session, and you have already arranged it, so I'm good to go.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, in future also, if you need to say anything, you can directly ping us. Okay, feel free.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, great. Okay, then let me go through some other questions. Okay, there are common questions. I'll skip that. Just about the webinar. Community works. Yeah, and here can you share a recording of it? So I think we'll share a step-by-step recording of this also, and the webinars that we had conducted earlier for IEEE membership benefits. I'll upload that on a YouTube channel as well and share the link on registrations group so you can access that as well. Then after that, what is IEEE about? How will it help us? Okay, that I've answered, I think. Let me go through some questions. Okay, what events will be held by IEEE in conjunction with SKN COE? Okay, so our student branch is a whole initiative that we have created to do the sole purpose of creating or organizing events, including IEEE and including SKN COE. So again, as I said, as an individual IEEE member, you can participate in as many workshops, as many webinars you want. And yeah, once you take IEEE membership, you will get literally daily emails on different workshops and different opportunities that are currently going. So you can participate freely in them at your own will, and we'll also bring to you more opportunities you can participate in on college level as well with IEEE. Okay, yeah, schedule timetable and want to know more about. Yeah, so actually we are also currently planning the annual timetable of the whole thing. So we'll shortly or eventually start sharing different events with you. We are working on many different, we have different competition ideas as well. So stay tuned for that. Is there any membership going to be? Is this membership going to be free of cost? I'm really sorry, but IEEE membership is not going to be free of cost. If you want to be a membership, you have to pay a particular price, and we are providing you a discount code which will give you 50% off. And later also IEEE comes with different discount codes even for different societies, so you can directly access that. Sometimes you even get them for free. So always stay tuned for that. Via email also you get updates. So yeah, and let me clear that we are having a IEEE student branch here, but as an IEEE member, you'll get various different benefits. But even if we are organizing this event for college, so other people can also participate in it, but they won't get the level of benefits as you will if you are an IEEE member. So that's why promoting you to be a member. We are encouraging you to be a member. So according to your own interest, if you are willing to do that, that will be amazing. If not, even if you're not a member, you can still participate in the events that we organize. So that's all right. And how to build
participate in the events that we organize. Okay.
Yeah.
If you become member of our SKN ISB, then you will contribute in introducing or to establish those events in our college.
Yeah.
You will be a member of our team, and all the rest college means in Karandak, our college Karandak, there is a team for Karandak. They organize those events and all others participate in it. We can also participate in it. It's not like that. And about the fee that Rasmi told earlier, we get a discount of 50%. It is the initial price was 27 USD, right? 27 USD is equivalent to 2007 rupees, and we get a discount of 50%. So now it will be around 1,000 rupees. After discount, you get a discount of 1,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay. Okay, just let me go through some questions once again. Okay, I think we have roughly mostly answered many questions from that. So now let's change it to a more interactive approach, guys. If you want, you can turn on your cameras and freely interact with us. So how many of you are here? You can put in the chat box. Are you guys able to access the chat box? Let me know. If yes, you can just put hi or anything, ping us in the chat box. Because I think many of you are from different branches as well. So are all of you able to access? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing response from 130 might be 4. Okay, it's accessible. Sounds good then. So guys, if you are able to turn on your cameras, can you please go ahead and turn on your cameras? Let's make it a more interactive session. We'll also take a few screenshots as this is our first meeting overall on a college basis. So let's turn on the cameras, please.
And also you have some, if you have questions, you can ask them in chat box or you can ask them one-to-one.
You can turn on your cameras, or if not, you can directly unmute and ask, or you can directly put it in the chat box as well. Feel free.
Hello, Rashmi. I would like to mention few things. Can I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead, Gayatri.
Yes. So I would like to mention that IEEE is all about volunteering. By taking IEEE membership or by being a part of SK and ISB is not enough. You have to explore, you have to participate, you have to volunteer in order to get all the benefits which we mentioned earlier. So yes, I encourage everyone to take IEEE membership to be a part of SK and ISB. Everyone's ideas will be welcomed, executed. Everyone will be given a chance to lead as well. And yes, so also being a part of IEEE, this huge global technical organization creates a huge impact on your resume. By the time you are in third year, you must have realized that professional contacts is very much required, professional networking, and IEEE gives you that platform in order to be recognized for your talent. This is the platform where you will get each and every opportunity as well. So yes, thank you.
That's great, Bharti. I think let's, if everybody else also, you can say a few words if needed. Let's start with Pratiksha.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, who's speaking?
Yeah, it's Siddharth here. I had a few questions regarding the membership.
Okay.
Will you guys be providing any kind of, tutorial or any kind of guidance with regards to publishing a paper? Because I already have 3 papers ready back to back, and I'm waiting for, some kind of opportunity or guidance on how to publish them. Because at this point, we can't call them research papers now. They are just a paper and waiting for getting to get published in magazines. So what value can you bring in regarding this feature?
Okay. So yeah, so we are already planning different sessions. So one of them will definitely be regarding research papers and how you can publish your papers, or will bring in some good professionals who can guide you regarding this even better. So you can interact directly with those people and ask them proper questions on that. So does that solve your doubt? Because I think they can elaborate even more and more if we bring in a proper professional, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like in the relevant field. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll definitely organize because IEEE, I think all of you guys must be aware that it is mostly known for its conferences. So we'll definitely keep a session in which they can guide you regarding this. Okay.
Okay. I already had one account, but it expired. So I'll just make one new one.
Okay. Sounds great. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Thank you. Does anybody, I think there was a doubt in the chat box. Rashmi, can you let us know about previous sessions, technical, which have already been conducted by your team under SK and ISB? Actually, it's ISB, not ISP, in this last years. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you guys that our student branch, we have formed this like literally days ago. We actually received our approval in on 29th of October. So after that, it was directly Diwali, I think, Diwali week. So our student branch is a whole new initiative, and we are bringing you different and many more opportunities for it. So it wasn't existing in our college, but I and all these people you're seeing on the in your meeting right now, these are all like the founding members of our student branch. So we'll be organizing different events. Right now we have only organized the IEEE webinar, IEEE membership benefits webinar. And after that, we'll be organizing many more. We'll give you updates on that. So our student branch has just formed literally 10-20 days ago. Not that much. Like there was Diwali in between, so I think at that time there would be no events, right? So it has formed just now. So stay tuned for the events. We are like bringing you whole fresh and new opportunities. I think that answers your question, right, Abhishek? Was it? Okay, any other questions, guys? You can unmute yourself or directly put in the chat box. Okay, I'm seeing another question.
Yeah, I would like to add one more. If it's within your reach, can you please arrange, or from your contacts, I would like to know, like, in past, how many students have published their papers. It would be a better network for me as well.
How many students?
I mean, it would be very feasible for you. Yeah. अगर किसी ने पहले publish किया हो paper कोई.
Okay, I'll have to look into that because right now I'm not aware of many. So I'll have to look into that and I'll definitely get back to you. And we are actually, so we are actually even thinking of connecting with other, actually IEEE student branches exist in different colleges as well. I think you guys must have heard of, PICT, VIT, MMCOE, many other colleges in Pune. So we are also planning on collaborating with them as well, and we can have a better networking, I think. And those people, they are also of our same ages, so we can also contact with them, and they'll also, I think, help, right?
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, I'll get back to you on that. Yeah, thanks. Okay. So let's get to our next question. That was from Aman. Okay, does the student branch been divided into different sections, like executive section taking over social media stuff of the branch, a section which would deal with event organization, a section which would deal with entrepreneurship? Yeah, so let me answer your question. That will be shortly announcing all the domains that will be available. So those of you who are going to take the membership, they will get the chance of joining or even leading different teams. So we'll be telling you, we'll be sharing some forms later on. After we'll give you domains and you can choose among that domains. And yes, we can even, there are different chapters also we can form under a student branch. So we are also having working on different ideas actually right now. So we'll shortly share with you, there won't be much time after this, but we'll shortly share with you all the domains as well. So according to that, according to your guys' interest, you can take part in whatever field or whatever thing that interests you. It is totally on your interest. So yeah, we'll shortly share with you and you can participate and fill the forms regarding the particular sections that we'll be making in our entire student branch. I hope that answers your question, Amanuddin. Are there any other questions, guys? You can go ahead and unmute. Okay, great, Amanuddin. Are there any other questions? Feel free to mute or anything if you like to share. That would be also great. Or we can just take a session of like getting to know all the people, because I think you are from like, some people are from second, some people are from third year, right? Let's start. I think let's start with our main members, and then I think one by one everybody can speak, those who are available here. So Krishna, can you start? Let's share something or just introduce yourself. Feel free. Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Krishna Andani. I am in third year computer, and let me tell you, IEEE has been such a great journey for me, because I've learned so much, and it's great if you all want to join. Thank you.
Okay, that's amazing, Krishna. Nice. Okay, so let's head on to Radhika. Can you go ahead?
Hi everyone, my name is Radhika and I'm also from computer department, and I would just say you all should definitely consider taking the membership and explore all the benefits. And again, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to any one of us. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Next, Shashank, can you go ahead?
Yes. So I've heard about this IEEE from like my brothers and everyone about it, and I was wondering that why isn't it in our college? So right now we are giving you the opportunity and founding this team, and this will continue for like many years in our college, and we will definitely create events, and we can also create yearly events so that our name won't fade away over the period of years. And please, for that, everyone, please join our team, and we will make that sure. Thank you.
Okay, great, Shashank. And yeah, on that, I would like to add that as we are in currently third year, all the founding team. So later on, as we proceed ahead, will be as eventually you guys participate, we will be handing over our student branch to you. But it will be totally based on your participation and your volunteering. So make sure to be most active. So you might become a leader next year, probably. So yeah, I think Neha, can you go ahead?
Yes, myself Neha. I'm also from a computer department. I just want to say that IEEE will surely help you to come forward and share your ideas. So it's a golden opportunity for you. So you can grab it as soon as possible.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you, Neha. Next, Pratiksha, can you go ahead?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yep.
Hello everyone, I am Pratiksha, even I am from computer branch. First of all, I would like to highlight what everyone has already told you. Quite a lot depends on your potential of deriving the best out of this opportunity. It's a great opportunity. It doesn't come twice again. Like we say, opportunities don't knock twice. So please take the advantage of it, because throughout the past couple of years, I think we didn't come across many clubs, and this is definitely going to help you around. And it helps you to stay up to date with the latest technology and innovations, and with publishing IEEE papers and products like one of the students asked right now. We can keep further sessions depending on how many active students we have. It matters how active our club is, so without your support that isn't possible, right? And also you get to connect with amazing students. You get a lot of exposure, you get to meet a lot of talented people in various fields and not just your own. You can meet and organize events, publish papers, which is very important for our further studies also. You can gain knowledge and recognition. Furthermore, you get to be a part of a great team. You get to build self-confidence. Plus, building a team is very important. You need to learn how to work in day-to-day life, because after engineering, I think we enter a big arena of competition basically. So you have to be smart, you have to be very patient, you have to have leadership qualities. Plus, you should have street smartness. So yeah, plus I would like to add it also boosts your CV, which means being an IEEE member, you can turn your recruitment process into something, turn it into something which you can take advantage of. So you get the benefits, and people will consider you over other students because you stand out as you have done something extracurricular in your college, right? So I think you should take the benefit out of this, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Pratiksha. And I would just like to add a little bit on that. As Pratiksha and Gargi said, right, you have to do this will build up your CV so much. And I think you guys have attended your inductions, right, as well. In that, alumni tell you to build your LinkedIn most probably, because it will help you so much. And for building that, IEEE is the most important key. Even companies, if they see the name of IEEE in your resume now, they'll act so differently. You'll get a different priority and so many benefits. I just can't explain right now. So you can just go to the site, explore so much. I am sure you'll be overwhelmed by their opportunities. So let's get to our next. Shashwat, can you go ahead?
I'm Shashwat. I'm Shashwat, third year computer. Sorry. Actually, it's been a great journey in IEEE. So, and I'm from membership development program. And feel free to connect. And best of luck with your IEEE journey.
Okay, thanks, Shashwat. Next, Shitish, can you go ahead?
Yes, my name is Shatiraj and I am from ENTC branch third year. Uh, I would like to tell you you can get very much from IEEE as you will get to know about many technological advancements and new standards which IEEE gives. So best of luck to be a part of this.
Okay, thank you so much, Shitish. Is Swaraj present here or no?
Yeah, I'm there, Rashmi.
Okay, yeah, Swaraj, go ahead.
Hi everyone, I'm Swaraj. I'm currently majoring in computer science engineering and I'm in third year. As everyone added, there are a lot of benefits of IEEE, but one of the main reasons why I joined IEEE would be to get to meet a lot of new people. So I hope all of you join. So I will get to meet like 40-50 of you. That would be great. So yeah, thank you.
That sounds great. Nice perspective. Okay, so let's go from the down to list. Yash Desai, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and introduce yourself and share something if you want.
I am from I'm from computer branch from third year.
Okay, thank you for introducing yourself. Then next we have Vaishnavi Mamankar. Are you here, Vaishnavi?
Yes, myself Vaishnavi Mamankar and I am from computer branch third year. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vaishnavi. Next we have Vaibhav Kant. Go ahead, Vaibhav. Are you here? Vaibhav? Okay, I think लगा के चला गया कहाँ पे? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Tejal Patil, are you present? Okay, I think same thing. Swaraj already spoke. Then next we have Sanjana Birari. Are you here, Sanjana?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Self Sanjana Virari and from the computer branch. Thanks for the great session. I'm interested to meet you all and explore more. Thank you.
We are similarly interested and hope we meet soon, even offline. So thank you, Sanjana. Next we have Runwal Siddharth. You here?
Yeah. Good afternoon, you all. Myself Siddharth Runwal from computer branch. I'm in third year, and looking forward to connect with you all and get some more values bring into this society, IEEE.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Next, Radhika already spoke. Then we have Prasad Mani. Prasad, you here?
Yes. Hello. Hi, everyone. This is Prasad. So basically, I'm from computer department, third year. And I guess this session was very interesting and amazing session, and it was quite informative. So we got clear idea about what IEEE is and what's all about the benefits and everything. So this was a really amazing session. I'm really looking forward to join IEEE membership soon. And thank you for the session and thank you for organizing everything. Thank you, team.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you once again. Yeah, next Neha. Neha, do you want to go again? Okay. Let's move to the next one. Nandini, are you here? Nandini Agrawal.
Yeah, I'm here. So I'm Nandini Agrawal and I'm from third year computer branch. And I found this session really interesting. And few months or weeks back, I was also looking into women in tech and women in engineering. So I'm quite excited that this IEEE came to our college, and I'll be willing to join this soon. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
That sounds amazing. We'll definitely have a women in engineering subsection, so stay tuned for that. Then next we have Manas Patil.
Yes, Rashmi. Actually, it's Manas Patil.
Oh, sorry, Manas. Yeah, go ahead, Manas.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Myself, Manas Patil. I'm currently in third year IT department, and I would like to explore my technical skills here. And I'm really excited to interact with all of you. Thank you.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Manas. Then next we have Maheshwari. Are you here? Maheshwari? सब लगा के चले जाते हैं क्या यार? ठीक है, चलो next move on to the next one. Diksha Chaudhary, are you here?
Hello everyone, I am Diksha Chaudhary from third year computer engineering student. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for taking initiative and forming the student branch, and also looking forward for great opportunity from.
Okay, thank you. That's great. Stay tuned. We'll definitely come up with many opportunities. So thank you once again. Yeah. Who's speaking? Oh, Maheshwari. Hello. Yeah, go ahead, Maheshwari.
Hello, myself Pandey Maheshwari. I am from third year computer department. Okay, thank you.
Great. Thank you so much for introducing yourself. Do you want to share anything? All good. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Then let's move on to Arshia. Are you here? Are you speaking? I'm unable to hear actually. Guys, is she audible? No. Arshia, actually we are unable to hear you. If possible, can you put in chat box? Actually, Arshia, we are unable to hear you. Are you able to hear us? Okay, I think let's move on to other remaining till then. Arshia can go after that then. So next we have Aditya Chaudhary. Are you present, Aditya?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Hello guys. I am Aditya from computer branch, third year engineering. It was really an interactive session, and I'm really looking forward to meet you as a team. So let's see what.
Thank you so much. We'll definitely interact more eventually as a team. Thank you so much. Then next is
Rashmi, let's hear it from second year students now, like if they are willing to unmute their mics and introduce.
Definitely. I was going forward to them. I was going from the list downwards, so their names are like numbers now, I think, so they are at the top of the list.
Right.
So let's move on to okay, I don't know your name, so I'll just take the usernames. 621 Faraday, are you here? Okay, so who all is present from like second year? 1105 TCS, are you here?
Yes, Rashmi. Actually, my name is Atharva Gorde.
Hi, Atharva. Yeah, go ahead.
It was a bit nervous for us because all third year students were talking and we second year were like, "Arey yaar, sab third year wale ab kaise hoga?"
अरे चलता है अभी फ्रेंडली, देखो हम तो कुछ करने वाले नहीं, आपको हमारे में इतना डिफरेंस भी नहीं है, so feel free to converse with us. We are all students, so go ahead. Yeah, do you want to share anything else?
No, the session was great. IEEE will be worth exploring, I guess. Of course, you will help us, and amount of exposure we will be getting through this is obviously remarkable. So thank you for your effort.
That's great. Thank you so much. So let's move on to 1211 IBM. Are you present here? 1211 IBM. Guys, I don't know your names, so please respond to your usernames. This is also weird for me.
बड़े बड़े कंपनी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं अपने पास।
हाँ ना, TCS, IBM.
Is it compulsory for you all to keep these username, second year student?
Second year.
Actually, we can't change our username. So what they have
Yeah.
decided, we have to follow.
Yeah, same.
वो हमारे ही वजह से ऐसे रूल
Teams का उन्होंने like directly दिया ना. I think the administrator has all the control about that. Only profile people can change. इसलिए I can see cat, dog, कुछ भी.
IBM, TCS.
हाँ. So guys, आप ही बोलो अभी आप कौन हो यहाँ पे? 1211 IBM नहीं है शायद यहाँ पे, या हो आप? 1211 IBM. Then let's move on to next one.
Feel free to chat, don't worry.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं कि हम टी के
यहाँ पे
स्टूडेंट से तो हमसे डरो.
कोई टीचर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
And this is also not that formal meeting, so you guys can talk in any language you want and directly approach us. Meghna, okay, I can see one name, nice. Meghna Sobhage, are you here? अरे सब लगा के चले गए क्या? 432 Coulomb, are you here?
सभी लगा के चले जाते हैं उसमें क्या?
हाँ, ये लग रहा है मुझे. 1105 TCS actually. अथर्वा, तेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स है क्या यहाँ पे? उनको बोल if they want to.
Let me make a picture and I'll call their name if possible.
Okay, go ahead if they are present in the meeting.
Sana. Where actually पूरा abbreviation होता है name का, so we can't know what the real name. Sana, are you there?
Yeah, I think unmuted.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I still didn't get your name, so 1, 2, 4, 3. You have unmuted, right? Go ahead, speak. Hello.
She muted again, so I guess she don't want to introduce herself. Next is, I guess, Rajendra, 432 Coulomb. Are you there?
हेलो.
हाँ है क्या? Oh, hello.
हेलो मैम.
अरे मैम नको बोलो यार, मैम मत बोलो हमें. हम सीनियर्स को मैम वगैरह मत बोलो. Yeah, go ahead.
I am second year ENTC branch.
Oh, hello. Can you give us your full name?
My full name is Godge Rajendra Nagan.
Okay, nice. Hi, Rajendra.
Hi,
Okay, okay, yeah. So, do you want to share anything else? Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
I am not comfortable of English language.
So you can speak in Hindi, Marathi, whatever you want.
There is no language barrier. You can speak in which language you are comfortable.
तुझे हिंदी में बोलना है तो हिंदी में बोल, तुला मराठीत बोलायचं असेल तर मराठीत बोल. Whatever is comfortable.
Okay.
Which language do you speak?
Marathi.
हाँ मग बोल ना मराठीत, बिंदास बोल. हे बघ हिंदी येत नाही तर त्यांना पण मराठी कळतं. So no worries.
थर्ड इयर पर्यंत सगळ्यांना मराठी कळायला लागतं. काय काय
IEEE म्हणजे काय बेनिफिट आहेत विचारायचं.
ओके, मला एक सांग, तू मीटिंग आता जॉईन केली का?
हा, मी थोड्या वेळाखाली मीटिंग जॉईन केली. मी थोडं कामात होतो त्याच्यामुळे.
कारण की आम्ही सगळं
ये क्वेश्चन कभी एंड नहीं होने वाला रश्मि, अगले एटलीस्ट 2 साल तक.
ओके, तर आम्ही तुला एक ब्रीफ सांगतो. हे बघ, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल IEEE तर असे खूप बेनिफिट्स आहेत. तुला ऍज अ स्टुडंट तुला स्कॉलरशिप्स मिळतील. तुला आता सपोज तू रिसर्च पेपर्स करत असशील तर त्याच्यामध्ये यू कॅन पब्लिश ऑन कॉन्फरन्सेस. सो मेंबरशिप घेतल्यानंतर यू हॅव लाईक ऍक्सेस टू देअर डिजिटल लायब्ररी. यू गेट डिस्काउंट्स ऑन मेनी थिंग्स. मग तुला अजून जे आपले पूर्ण इंडस्ट्रीमधले प्रोफेशनल्स आहेत, सो IEEE थ्रू तुला त्यांच्याशी पण कॉन्टॅक्ट करता येतो. परत आता तू जर आमचा याचा पार्ट झालास ना, तर यू कॅन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट फॉर लाईक अवॉर्ड्स वगैरे. आणि तुझा जो आपला पुढे गेल्यावरती प्लेसमेंटसाठी जेव्हा रेझ्युमे असतो तर त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा IEEEचा खूप खूप फायदा होतो आणि तुला कॉम्पिटिशन्स मध्ये पण पार्ट घेता येतो आणि भरपूर ठिकाणी डिस्काउंट्स मिळतात त्याच्यामुळे. आणि असे खूप आहेत. त्यांची वेबसाईट IEEE.org. नुसतं IEEE टाकलंस ना तू गुगलवर तरी तुला त्याच्याबद्दल एवढं मिळेल ना. आणि ते एक्सप्लोर कर आणि तुला काही डाऊट्स असतील तर आम्हाला अप्रोच कर. ठीक आहे.
हो मॅम, मी ते रीड केलेलं आहे मी, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये खूप चांगले बेनिफिट ते आहेत आणि मी रीड केलेलं आहे पूर्ण IEEEचं.
ओके.
ते जे बेनिफिट्स आहेत ना ते इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवलला पण भरपूर आहेत आणि आपण कॉलेजमध्ये आता आपल्या कॉलेजचा पण ग्रुप बनवतोय. तर हा जो आपला कॉलेजचा ग्रुप असेल त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे इव्हेंट्स होतात बघ. आता करंडक मध्ये होतात, ऐकलं असतील नक्कीच. हा, तर तसे इव्हेंट्स फक्त करंडकचे इव्हेंट्स बरेच सोशल असतात वगैरे असे पण असतात. आपण तसेही इव्हेंट्स घेणार आहे आणि आपण टेक्निकल इव्हेंट्स पण घेणार आहे. आता ह्याच्यात आपल्याला फायदा काय आहे जास्त, कारण का हे IEEE जे मोठे मोठे प्रोफेसर्स असतात किंवा जे इंजिनियर्स असतात मोठे मोठे वर्ल्ड वाईड, ते IEEEचे मेंबर आहेत. आपण त्यांना आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये घेऊन येऊ शकतो त्याच्यामुळे असं.
त्यासाठी फी आहे का? IEEEची किती फी आहे?
IEEEची तू मेंबर होण्यासाठी तुला फी आहे. कॉलेजचा ग्रुप जॉईन करण्यासाठी नाहीये. तू एकदा मेंबर झाला ना की तू आम्हाला सांग की तू मेंबर झालाय, मग आम्ही तुला कॉलेजच्या त्या ग्रुपमध्ये डायरेक्ट ऍड करणार असं.
ते मेंबर होण्यासाठी काय लिंकवर जायचं कोणत्या वेबसाईटवर?
आम्ही ना ग्रुपवर लिंक शेअर करतो वाटलंस तर परत एकदा. आय थिंक सगळ्यांना अटेंडन्स
शेअर
नसेल.
करणार आहे आणि या मीटिंग मध्ये आम्ही आता ती पूर्ण प्रोसेसही सांगितली कशी करायचं, म्हणजे कसं ते जॉईन करायचं. तर त्याचा तो व्हिडिओ पण आम्ही आता बघतो आणि तो क्लिप करून तो व्हिडिओ पण आम्ही टाकतो की तुला साइड बाय साइड तो व्हिडिओ बघून तू करू शकतो.
ज्यावेळेस मी सिंहगड लोणावळ्याला होतो ना, मी त्या ऍडमिशन नंतर मी ट्रान्सफर केला आहे. ज्यावेळेस मी फर्स्ट इयरला लोणावळ्याला होतो, म्हणजे 1 वर्ष गॅप घेतले मी, नंतर इकडे फर्स्ट इयरला घेतले डबल. IEEE जेव्हा घेतलं ना त्यावेळेस 300 रुपये फी काहीतरी होती.
300 रुपये?
तसं नाही, ते मग ते त्यांनी वेगळं काहीतरी, म्हणजे त्यांनी फक्त मेंबरसाठी तसं ठेवलं असेल. पण आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये तरी तुम्ही जेव्हा IEEEचे मेंबर होता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही वर्ल्ड वाईड IEEEचे मेंबर होता आणि मग तुम्ही आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये पण
डिरेक्टली होतो मेंबर.
डायरेक्टली तुम्ही आपल्या कॉलेजच्या ग्रुपमध्ये येता. पण त्यांनी बहुतेक तो झोल केला असेल का नाही मला माहित नाही. हे जे तू पैसे देणार आहेस ना ते पैसे आम्हाला नाही येणार किंवा आपल्या कॉलेजच्या कुठल्या स्टुडंटला किंवा कुठल्या टीचरला कोणालाच नाही जाणार. ते पैसे डायरेक्ट IEEEच्या म्हणजे जे मोठा IEEE त्यांना जातात.
विच इज लाईक इन न्यूयॉर्क मध्ये आय थिंक त्यांचं. सो मग तिकडे डिरेक्टली जातात ते पैसे आणि ते इट इज लाईक अन इंटरनॅशनल ट्रान्झॅक्शन आहे ते बेसिकली. सो मग आपण तुझ्या साईटची आम्ही हँडल नाही करत आहे. यू आर डिरेक्टली बिकमिंग अन IEEE मेंबर आणि त्याच्यानं डिरेक्टली आपल्या स्टुडंट ब्रांचचा मेंबर होशील तू. आणि आम्ही इव्हेंच्युअली सेटअप करू तेव्हा आपण जेव्हा एका बल्क मध्ये पाठवू ना तर तेव्हा इव्हेंच्युअली बघू आपण कसं मॅनेज होईल. पण आता तरी तुम्हाला इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवलच घ्यावी लागणार आहे बिकॉज आम्ही आता पैसे हँडल करत नाहीये कोणते, बिकॉज अजून ते सेटअप व्हायचंय. आता काही दिवस आधीच फॉर्म झाली ना ही ब्रांच आपली म्हणून.
मग ज्यावेळेस आपण मेंबर होतो त्यावेळेस फी नाही ना काही?
मेंबर झाल्यानंतर तुला सगळ्या IEEEचे भरपूर वर्कशॉप्स, भरपूर वेबिनार फ्री अटेंड करायला मिळतात जे बाकीच्या लोकांना पैसे देऊन करायला लागतात. सो तुझे पूर्ण अॅन्युअल भरशील ना पैसे ते तुझे ना लिटरली 2-3 इव्हेंट्स वाईज तुझे कव्हर पण होऊन जातील. तुला लाईक डिजिटल लायब्ररीचा ऍक्सेस मिळतो त्यांच्या, तुला त्याचे वेबिनार्स, वर्कशॉप, परत तुला स्कॉलरशिपचे पण ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आहेत. सो तू हे सगळं फायदा तू घ्यायचा आहे स्वतः. तू फक्त ते मेंबरशिप तुम्ही फी भरून बसले आणि काहीच नाही केलं तर ते होणार नाहीये. तुम्हाला स्वतःहून व्हॉलेंटिअर करायला लागणार आहे आणि पार्टिसिपेट करायला लागणार आहे. मग ते त्याने तुमचा रेझ्युमे पण बिल्ड होईल आणि त्याच्याने तुमचे ते सगळे पैसे बेसिकली वसूल होतील.
आणि ते जे पैसे तू फक्त व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्स वगैरे त्यासाठी पण नाही भरणार. आपण जे आपल्या कॉलेजेसमध्ये इव्हेंट करणार आहे सगळं, तर त्यासाठी आपण IEEEला फंडिंग मागणार आहे की तू एकदा 1000 रुपये भरले ना की तुला कुठल्याही आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये इव्हेंट करायचं तर तुला कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन साठी हे नसतं की आपण परत कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन काढणार नाही जे काढतात इव्हेंटला.
आपण डिरेक्टली फंडिंग IEEE कडनं घेणार आणि मग बाकीच्या स्पॉन्सर्स वगैरे कडून घेऊ शकतो. आणि अजून एक असं पण असेल की पुढे आपण जेव्हा करू ना ऑर्गनाइज इव्हेंट्स तेव्हा वेन यू ऑर्गनाइज तेव्हा बाकीचे मे बी आपल्या जे कॉलेजचे स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांना पैसे भरावे लागतील. पण तुम्ही जर ऑलरेडी IEEEचे मेंबर असाल ना तर तुम्हाला फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ऍक्सेस मिळेल. असं पण होईल कारण की तुम्ही IEEEचे ऑलरेडी मेंबर आहात आणि स्टुडंट बँकचे ऑलरेडी तुम्ही मेंबरशिपचे पैसे भरलेत. सो IEEE तसं प्रोव्हाइडच करतं की तुम्हाला फ्री मिळतील तसे किंवा डिस्काउंट मिळतील त्याच्यावरती. ठीक आहे.
हा चालेल. IEEE ची फी म्हणजे मेंबरशिप ची फी 1000 आहे का?
हा म्हणजे त्याचे टोटल इज लाईक आय थिंक शशांक दोन आहे ना आय थिंक, आणि त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला कोड देतोय, त्याच्याने तुम्हाला 50% डिस्काउंट मिळतो आणि ते करून ऑलमोस्ट 900 का 1000 पर्यंत जाते ती टोटल.
चालेल.
इयरची आहे आणि हा ही पूर्ण अॅन्युअल फी आहे.
एका इयरची आहे ती.
हा
दर annual फी भरावी लागेल ना?
हा म्हणजे पूर्ण तुझं वर्ष झालं की मग रिन्यू करायचं की नाही तर तुझ्या हातात असतं. जर तुला एकदम छान वाटलं IEEE तर तू करू शकतोस आणि आय एम शुअर तुला छान वाटेल. मी स्वतः सुद्धा रिन्यू केली आहे माझी फी. सो तू त्याच्यापुढे तुझ्या चॉईसवर आहे, यू कॅन रिन्यू. कारण की IEEE टोटली व्हॉलंटिअरिंगवर आहे, तुला कोणी काहीच फोर्स नाही करणार. तुला इंटरेस्ट असेल ना पूर्णपणे तर तू रिन्यू करू शकतोस आणि आता घ्यायला पण तू मेंबरशिप घेऊ शकतोस स्वतःहून. ठीक आहे.
पुढे अजून काय मेंबरशिप रिलेटेड डाऊट्स असतील तर ते तुम्ही मेंबरशिप टीमला पुढे विचारू शकता. आपण दुसरे अजून काही डाऊट्स असतील ते घेऊयात मग.
हो चालेल. ठीक आहे मग तू आता वाटल्यास आम्ही ग्रुपवर शेअर करतो नंबर, त्यांना डिरेक्टली कॉन्टॅक्ट कर मग तुला अगदीच पुढे काय अडलं तर. ठीक आहे.
ओके चालेल. थँक्यू.
ओके थँक्यू सो मच. बाकी एनीबडी एल्स इज प्रेझेंट 621 फराटे नाहीतर हा नावं घेत होता ना आय थिंक.
तिला बोलायचं होतं.
कोणाला?
चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलंय की आय थिंक आय एम नॉट ऑडिबल.
IBM मला बोलायचं.
आता बोलतोय. चॅट बॉक्स ऑल्सो इफ यू वॉन्ट. जर तुझं माईकचा काही इश्यू येत असेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलं तरी चालेल. आय थिंक अर्शिया ऑल्सो हर माईक वॉज नॉट वर्किंग. सो अर्शिया इफ यू वॉन्ट यू कॅन जस्ट पुट इन द चॅट बॉक्स or like introduce yourself in the chat box. That's also fine.
Shall I call out next name then?
What?
Next name call करू का मग मी?
कॉल करू का म्हणजे सॉरी आय डिडंट गेट यू. म्हणजे त्यांना बोलायला का?
हा बोलायला.
हा कर ना कॉल. गो अहेड.
अरे he left the meeting. Okay. Everyone is leaving the meeting. So attendees are remaining and the rest of us have introduced ourselves.
Yeah, I think confrontation का बात आएगा तो everybody starts leaving. ठीक है. The people I think who wanted to interact have interacted. और बाद में we'll get many chances, so you can interact along the way also. When you join IEEE, we'll keep several meetings, so you can directly introduce or directly contact us at any time. So no issue.
There is one question in chat box. What is the due date for registration? There is no due date for registration. You can you can be a part of IEEE whenever you want. So we have formed the student membership team for that, development team for that. You can contact them. We will share their contact numbers and everything in the WhatsApp group that we have created. There is no due date. Don't worry.
So our club or branch is not like other clubs. Like एक बार registration हो गया तो बंद कर देंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. You can anytime मतलब we'll have drives in which we'll ask people to fill the form. और this Google that we have mentioned you guys to fill, ये हमारे own information के लिए था, that we wanted to see as we have newly formed this branch how many of you are interested, or now how many of you are sure that you want to take membership. We'll invite you to take the membership via IEEE website. So आपको directly मेल आ जाएगा. अगर you have decided, you can ping me. I'll email. I already have your emails, so I can directly mail you on that. And even I'll mail you the discount code information as well. So yeah, that was mostly for information about the interested participants. So yeah, and later on, whenever you can directly contact the development team. Done. Any other questions? I think most of the people have left the meeting already. The remaining people, do you have any questions? Or else we can conclude. Or not questions, but you can even share anything if you want.
We will be participating in like different domains, even if we are united by IEEE. Like if someone is like opting for networking, some is for coding, we have variety, right? So how will we organize all such things in our group events or any extracurricular thing in our campus?
I'm sorry, I kind of skipped a little bit of question. I couldn't hear properly. Can you please repeat?
Okay, so we have different domains in IEEE, right? And every one of us will opt for different domains, obviously. don't have specific interest. So how will we merge all of them in any one event in our campus? That was my question.
Okay. So first of all, it's not like कि अगर you select only one domain, you will be part of only that single domain. You can choose multiple if you want. It's totally up to you, but only choose such that you will be able to handle the workload. And maybe we'll keep a restriction of like at least 2 or 3, not more than that, because obviously some people, nobody can handle that much load, and we also have academic. So yeah, you're saying how can we merge that into a single events? So we'll be having different, we'll organize but we'll organize different events which can be included in different domains, so, but in which everybody can participate. There will be no restriction that you are from this domain, so you have to participate in only this particular event because this is from your domain. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can directly participate in anything you want, which is organized by us, or directly the opportunities will come to you by IEEE itself. So and जो एक कैसे करेंगे हम ना, so we are also planning on keeping like an annual event for our student branch. So every year that will be like an, I think maybe if you know of, like there is a student branch at PI City, so they have an annual event called I think Credence. So they have multiple different sub events in that, and which consist of different domains as well. So it is like a huge technical event in which there are sub parts. So like that also we'll be having an proper annual event which will consist of all that. So I hope that answers your question, or if not, you can elaborate more.
Yeah, that is okay. And the next thing I wish to ask was, have anyone published their research papers in IEEE or something like close to that? Because when we are organizing such an, what can we say, firm for our campus, we must think about it also. New members which we are adding, if they are interested in doing such things, how are we going to help out them to accomplish whatever they want?
Okay, yeah, so I think earlier also one person asked same question about research papers. So we'll be organizing a particular webinar for this. We'll bring in some good professional help, and they will guide you guys on how to like even like from literally from basic, like how to write a research paper to how to publish it in IEEE or even other conferences. So you'll get a very start from the basics to an advanced level. You get the overview of it, and they will properly guide you more better than any seniors could. So we'll keep a session for that. And currently, actually, we are also, as I said, we are trying to collaborate with other student branches as well. So we might come across different people who have published in IEEE. I am in my family also. They have. I have an older brother, but I don't know anybody from Siaghad yet who has publish the paper, but I'm sure that this initiative of IEEE in SKN will definitely promote more people to make the research papers, write the research papers, and then publish in IEEE. Because till date we didn't have any association with IEEE, right? SKN COE, but we are bringing this in right now. So I'm sure it will promote more such windows. Is
Actually,
that?
it's kind selfish for me, but my real concern was I am an author of a research paper right now, and I have published it in IJRA. It is accepted, and it will be published by 20th of this month. But I was like, थोड़ा ही late हो गया यार, IEEE में कर देता. Reject तो reject, लेकिन it would be an experience worth having.
Yeah. Well, you can also work on later other research papers, right? So you can also try later on that. So ऐसे मत बोलो कि हो गया अभी. You can later also participate, right? I think.
You are in second year, right?
More
years.
You're way early. Doing a lot better than many people.
Actually, Rucha Murkewar recommended me to do so. It was my first year PBL project, so I just elaborated it and reconstructed it to form a research paper. It was not that much.
Yeah. Okay, relatable enough. So I think, yeah, you can later on also work on different research papers, and then you can put them in IEEE. And yeah, as you said, it is selfish of you then actually you need to be selfish, because we are all here in IEEE because we care about our own CVs and building our own career and our own resume, right? Because IEEE is going to get us that benefits. Isliye every one of here who is like you're seeing that, we are here for that, and we are here to give that opportunities to in our college as well. So you can say all of us are selfish. So it's good. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you for organizing great session, and I'll be eager to meet you seniors because yeah, it feels great.
For sure. For sure. We'll meet soon, I think. Let's hope Offline College starts soon even. Okay. Thank you so much. Any other doubts, guys? I think people are very less. I think most of have already left. So any others? I think we have exhausted. So I think let's conclude. The members can stay if they want. Others, please leave. And if you have any doubts, any other doubts regarding anything, you can freely contact us. I'll send in the numbers of the membership development team. So if you decide to take a membership, you can directly contact the team. Okay, and you can ping me anytime if you want, if you have any other doubts as well. You guys, I think, have my number. I have sent the messages on groups, so I think it's accessible to all of you. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for being here. So I think let's conclude the session. The members can wait so we can discuss something.